Hello everyone, I'm Eun-gyo. Today we are going to learn about the strong and weak stones. I will now explain while looking at the board. On the board, there are strong stones and weak stones. Can you pick out which one is the weak one? First off, this stone here is really weak. And these three stones are also very weak. Looking at this stone, here you can see that it is surrounded by white stones. The three stones over here are in the same situation. They are isolated, so it would be hard for them to build their territory inside. Let's look at another example. The stones are all disconnected from each other. Just looking at the white stones, which of the two is weaker? The answer is these two stones right here. You will know why when we look at the liberties. The white stones here have 1, 2, 3 liberties, and the white ones here have 1, 2, 3, 4 liberties. These over here have more space. So you can see that the former is comparatively weaker than the latter. Now, let's look at the black stones. Which of the two is weaker? This group here has 3 liberties. And since the one has 1, 2, 3, 4 liberties, the ones on top are weaker. In this situation, the next player should care for his weak stones. White could bend like so and attack the black stones. If it were black's turn, he could bend here and attack the white stones. I'm going to keep showing examples of weak and strong stones. But you should keep in mind that surrounding stones are usually weak and that fewer liberties mean that it's weak. In this example, take a look at the stones over here and here. Which one do you think is relatively weak? The answer is the left side. It's because the space for the stones here is less than over there. The right side, the stones are placed on the third line. But for the left side, they are on the second line. This is the space they to build their territory. But these stones don't have enough space to build a territory. So we can say that these stones are weaker than these. We took a look at some examples to see what weak stones look like. Now let's solve some problems. In the real game, we have to first care for my weak stones. If I had to play a move, then I would have to protect the weak stone because there's no need to defend a strong one. Let's see it play out. It's black's turn. Should black defend A or B? Which one is weaker? There are 2 stones or this 1 stone. We can tell just from the numbers. These are 2, but this is only 1. So the answer is B. If black were to play A, then white plays a move like this. This black stone is in danger. So it's key to protect the weak stones before they are in danger. In this next problem is black's move. Should black play A or B? Both groups have the same numbers of stones, but where should black place his next stone? Where should black reinforce his territory? The answer is A. The stones on the right side are formed perfectly by themselves, so there's no need to invest another stone over there. Black must play A to defend the two stones. If black play here, then white can attack from the bottom. And then the black stones are going to get captured. This is the next question. Should black play A or B? Looking at the two groups of black stones here and here, which one has more space to construct a territory? The stones on the right side, since they are clustered together, the space inside is a bit narrow. So the answer is B. On the left side, they are safe because of the paired moves. If white plays here, then black can play here. And white were to play here and attack, then black can defend by playing here. We call this being paired up. So we don't have to take care of the left side. A and B are the paired move. But here, the right side, if black doesn't defend this side, then white can attack from this side. Then black has to keep them alive like so. But the formation looks a little flimsy. So looking back at the question, black should play here to strengthen his weak stones. In this problem, are these two stone weak or these three? The answer is the two stones, so black should play A. If black were to play this move, the two stones on the upper right corner are still very weak. And if white were to attack like this, then it's hard for black to construct his territory, or white could strike an attack like so. So the answer would be to defend the relatively weaker two stones. These three stones here have enough space, so they are stable without an additional stone. Should black play A or B? The answer is A. If black plays B, then white can attack from the bottom, and black cannot establish his territory on the corner. I will show you more sequences. Black stones are dead. So in this situation, black should play A. The stones on the bottom, these are open to the left side and the other side. As I said a few minutes back, they are paired moves. If white plays one side, then black can play the other side. If white plays here, then black can play here. If white plays one side, black can play the other side. So for stones that have both sides open, there is no need to defend them as they are stable. This is the last problem for today. There is point A and B. It's black's turn, and where should he play? The answer is B. So black has to defend these 2 stones. The 4 stones on top already established a stable position, so there's no need for an additional stone. And if white were to play point B, it would be very harmful to black. Because these 2 stones are in danger, black has to defend them by playing B. Alright, how was today's lesson? Today we learned about weak and strong stones. If a stone is surrounded and has little space to move, keep in mind that you should invest one more stone to defend the weak stones. So next time when you play Go, attack your opponent's weak stones while defending your weak stones. I will come back next time with another exciting tutorial video. Thank you for watching.